Hey everyone, Justin Russell with RussellMarineProducts.com, and we've adopted the salt life. So we are here with Dan from PowerPole, and we're going to go over the new PowerPole Move, and more importantly, some specifics on the brushless trolling motor.
For over 10 years, we've been running brushless motors and fine-tuning how to control brushless motors with our shallow water anchors.
So that's a brushless motor in your PowerPole Blade series?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So
nothing new to you guys for running and going here, right?
Not at all. So what we were able to do, because we know how to control them so well, is to truly source the best brushless motor possible, but build custom drivers to get the most power, efficiency out of it. What we did, we went with more of a low torque motor that spins higher RPMs, but we coupled it with our TechFlow propeller, which has a lot of pitch to it. So when we spin the prop, we don't have to spin it as fast to get as much thrust, but it also is way more efficient. 30% more efficient would get you 30% more time out on the water fishing.
And way more quiet, as we've been able to tell, right?
So. Yes. That's the whole key here, you know. Our fish are extremely spooky here. The fish on Okeechobee, out on Kissimmee, and Tampa Bay are extremely spooky. So our goal was to build a quiet trolling motor, and we ended up building the first silent trolling motor.
You know, from everything that I've seen, that, you know, brushless has been out for a while now, where we've seen that with some other trolling motors and stuff. I didn't realize your PowerPole Blade system was actually a brushless motor as well too. So nothing new for you guys for coming into the market, whereas the perception may be, oh, it's new, right? Or new for you guys to come into this market, but in actuality, you've had 8-9 years of R&D before even jumping into the trolling motor realm. So very interesting to know that, but your driver system, like everything is truly tuned here to be as quiet as it can be. And I will say this, it's the quietest trolling motor I've heard. I mean,
it's no doubt, it is light years quieter than everything, but you can kind of equate it when you go to Home Depot and buy a drill and you hit the button, it's a brushless drill.
Yeah.
But it squeaks.
Yeah.
We tuned it so much that we eliminated all of that noise, and when you have inefficiency like that, you lose power.
Right.
So we tweaked it so much, we got every bit of power you can out of a motor, 24 volt or 36 volt, and achieved the most amount of thrust that a boat's wiring can handle.
Well, and this is coming in at 100 pounds of true thrust, correct?
True thrust. It's kind of like you can gauge horsepower at the engine or at the rear wheels. When we talk about true thrust, you've got 100 pounds of true thrust at the propeller, and when you put it in the water, you'll know it is a lot of thrust.
Yeah.
It's not a fake number. It is true 100 pounds of thrust.
All right, guys, that just goes over some of the details here of the actual brushless motor itself and what kind of makes it different from some of the other brushless trolling motors out there on the market. Stay tuned. We've got more cool features coming up here on this PowerPole Move trolling motor.
Are you tired of your old marine electronics? At R&P, we make trade-in easy. 3 steps. Step 1, shoot us an email, get a quote. Step 2, send us your old unit and get credit. Step 3, get your brand new unit and get installed on your boat today.